Hello, let me show you how to install Kiano drivers from HardReset.Info website. So firstly, we have to open a browser and then go to HardReset.Info website. Okay, so when we are here, just click on download, write drivers and click on search. Okay, now just scroll down and choose second page. And here you have Kiano drivers, so just click on it and download. Wait a couple of seconds. Okay, now we can open our file. Just close this window, it doesn't matter. Kiano drivers, and here you have two options. So in my case I will choose 64. Next. Modify is correct, so click next again and again, and here just tap install. Okay, so that's all. Everything is correct. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.